Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's take a closer look at how we can assess our student video responses inside a topic using that grading rubric criteria, as well as all the different ways that we can provide feedback to student video responses as a teacher. So I've gone ahead and logged into Flipgrid with my educator account, and I'm simply going to open my group and open my topic. And here inside my Science Grade 4 topic, I can see that a student has responded. To view and review the student response, I'm simply going to click on it, and it automatically starts playing. Now here I can view the student response, but below is where a lot of the magic happens. Notice that I have 3 tabs: Details, Feedback, and Edit. Inside the Details tab, the first thing I'm going to notice is this video hidden or active. If this is a moderated topic, the video will be hidden. And if I have the student's permission, or if this is meant to be an open topic where students are meant to see each other's responses, then I can simply activate the topic. Below, inside the Details tab, I now have text-based comments. Here I can add a public comment. Now this is important to remember. This is not a space for private feedback, because any text-based comments that I add here are going to be viewed by all of the participants inside the topic. If you're looking for where you can assess and provide private feedback, that's going to be in the Feedback tab. Here inside the Feedback tab, the first thing I want to draw your attention to is here in the middle, the grading rubric. So remember that when you were setting up your topic or editing your topic, you had the ability to either use the basic feedback rubric, or you could use the custom feedback where you built your own rubric criteria. That's what I've gone ahead and chosen to use. So notice that I can see the 2 criteria that I have built for this particular video response. And I can see that for content knowledge, I have a description that not only I can review, but my students can review. Same thing with organization of ideas. And again, this is a 4-point rubric, so I can provide a score for each of these criteria, as I have done here. Now, there are 2 ways to provide private feedback, in addition to using the grading rubric. Notice up here at the top, I could record feedback. If I click Record Feedback, it's going to launch the Flipgrid recorder, and I have up to 10 minutes to provide personalized video response to the student, where I can use all the different features of the Flipgrid recorder in order to communicate my feedback. Notice that below the grading rubric, I also have the ability to provide text-based feedback. Here, I can type in specific comments related to the grading rubric criteria and what I viewed in the student's video response. One of the simplest ways to ensure that students will be able to view this feedback is by clicking Copy Feedback Link button here at the bottom of the Feedback tab. And you can paste this link inside a private comment inside your Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. Another very simple way for students to access all feedback they've received on any Flipgrid video they've submitted is by going to my.flipgrid.com. Here they'll be prompted to log in with either Google or Microsoft. In ECSD, their student email address serves as both Google or Microsoft. Once they've logged in, they'll see groups that they belong to and have participated in along the top. And if they scroll down, they'll be able to see all of the videos, including the most recent video they've submitted. And they will see this view link, which they can click to not only review their video, but view any educator feedback that's been provided, including any video feedback that's been provided.